Vitamin C is one of the most famous skincare ingredients. It's everywhere, in serums, creams, even sunscreens. But how does it really work? And what are the challenges? Let's take a closer look.
Vitamin C, also called ascorbic acid, is a water-soluble antioxidant naturally found in high levels in the skin. Unlike most animals, humans can't produce vitamin C, so we rely on diet and topical products. In skincare, vitamin C protects against oxidative stress, supports collagen synthesis, and can reduce pigmentation. That's why it is often considered a gold standard ingredient.
Vitamin C has multiple proven benefits for skin health. First, it is a powerful antioxidant. It neutralizes free radicals from UV radiation, pollution, and smoke, reducing oxidative damage. Second, it is essential for collagen production. Vitamin C is a cofactor for enzymes that stabilize collagen fibers, helping skin stay firm and elastic. Regular application can increase skin firmness. Third, it provides photoprotection. It doesn't act like a sunscreen filter, but it helps repair UV-induced damage and strengthens the skin's defenses. Fourth, it reduces pigmentation. Vitamin C can inhibit the enzyme tyrosinase, decreasing melanin production. This is why it's often included in brightening products and treatments for dark spots. It also helps wound healing, reduces wrinkles, improves barrier lipids, and regenerates vitamin E, creating a stronger antioxidant network in the skin.
But using vitamin C in skincare isn't simple. Pure ascorbic acid is unstable. It quickly degrades in the presence of light, oxygen, or heat. This is why some serums turn brown. The vitamin C is oxidized and less effective. Penetration is another challenge. Because vitamin C is water-soluble and polar, it doesn't easily cross the outer skin barrier. Formulations often need higher concentrations, above 10%, and a low pH, around 3.5, to be effective. But high concentrations and low pH can also cause irritation, with tingling, redness, or dryness, especially in sensitive skin.
To improve stability and penetration, many derivatives of vitamin C are used in cosmetics. Sodium ascorbyl phosphate and magnesium ascorbyl phosphate are more stable in formulations and are converted to vitamin C in the skin by enzymes. They are gentler, but usually less potent. Lipid-soluble esters like ascorbyl palmitate or tetraisopalmitate are more stable and penetrate better, sometimes achieving higher vitamin C levels inside cells. Ascorbyl glucoside is another stable derivative. These forms extend shelf life and reduce irritation, but their effectiveness depends on how well they are converted to ascorbic acid in the skin. Vitamin C often works best in combination with other antioxidants. With vitamin E, it forms a regenerating cycle. Vitamin C restores oxidized vitamin E, creating a stronger protective effect. Ferulic acid not only adds its own antioxidant power, but also stabilizes vitamin C and E, doubling their photoprotection. Other combinations with retinoids, biotin, or even melatonin are used in advanced formulations for anti-aging and photoprotection. These synergies are one reason why some famous vitamin C serums are so effective.
So, how can you use vitamin C in your skincare routine? If your skin tolerates it, a serum with 10 to 20% pure ascorbic acid at a low pH is the most effective. If your skin is sensitive or you prefer stability, a derivative form may be better, though usually with milder results. Always keep vitamin C products away from light and air, and stop using them if they turn dark orange or brown. Packaging matters. Dark bottles, airless pumps, and encapsulation technologies can all improve stability and performance.
To summarize, vitamin C is a powerful skincare ingredient with multiple proven benefits. It protects against free radicals, boosts collagen, reduces pigmentation, and supports skin repair. But it is unstable and tricky to formulate,
which is why not all vitamin C products are equally effective. If you want more science-based skincare explained simply, subscribe to Cosmetoscope and tell me in the comments which ingredient I should cover next.